first started rhyming, pretty much, I got into rhyming, like what albums influenced me to get into rhyming was Exhibit's first album, At the Speed of Life, Crucial Conflict, first album, The Final Tick, Goody Mob, anything Dungeon Family. We actually had a homeboy that used to live across the street from me in Daly City. We lived at the top of the hill in Alexander Street or whatnot. And he used to get records in from one of his out-of-town family members. I don't know where they was from, but he would get all these records in that, yeah, we just weren't listening to at the time because we weren't exposed to them or whatnot. They were there, but we was kids. We was out doing what kids do. And he used to dub these records and bring them over to me across the street. That's where I first heard Exhibit and all these other cats, and that sent me out pretty much searching for, anything else, hip-hop or things in that vein that I like, I guess, or that, pretty much resemble what I was hearing or whatnot. And from then on, I just became a big hip-hop head, and that was at like 10 or 11. Because, I really got into it when Outkast's second album dropped, Exhibit's first album dropped, and that was 95. I was born in 85. Doesn't take a mathematician to do the math, I guess. And that was pretty much it. But before that, I was writing poetry since I was a kid. And I really didn't transfer it into rhymes until like 18, 19. My first time out of lockup was when I really started rhyming or whatnot. Got serious with it. Before then, it was just poems or poetry format or whatnot. And that was it.